In this video, I'm going to show you how to get 3 months of Shopify access for almost free in 2026 using a working and official method. This is perfect if you want to test Shopify, build your store, and see if it's right for you without paying full price upfront. Let's get started. First of all, open your browser and go to the official Shopify website. Click on Start Free Trial and sign up using your email address. You can also sign up with Google or Apple if you prefer. Once you do this, Shopify will ask your payment method and some options. You don't need to worry, you can select anything from the options and click Next, then enter your store name, or you can add it later. After that you will gain access to your dashboard. Now, here's the important part. In 2026, Shopify usually offers a short free trial, and after that, you'll see an offer to continue using Shopify for just $1 per month for 3 months. While it's not completely free, this is the cheapest official way to use Shopify for 3 full months without paying the normal subscription price. To activate this offer, simply complete your store setup and choose a plan when prompted. When the payment page appears, you'll see the $1 for 3 months deal. Add your payment method, confirm the plan, and that's it. You now have extended access to Shopify for 3 months at a very low cost. During these 3 months, you can build your store, add products, customize your theme, test apps, and even start selling. This gives you